Yay, bought something for my camera. This is set of camera accessories. So let's check. Ayan! Oh, may bag siya. Oh my god. So cute. This is worth around 630 pesos. Yay! May bag na si Akaso. This is so great. This is so worth it. Thank you so much to Lazada seller. So, let's open it. Oh, ang ganda niya. Ang social, o diba? Oh, back. Oh, like it. I like it. I like the bag. Yeah. That's how it looks like. And then, let's open it. Ta-da! Oh my god. This is so cute. So, it's already complete set. It's a 50-in-1 action camera accessories. So, you should have the case, which is this one. The chest strap, head strap, wrist strap, floating handle, this one, and then suction cup, I think this one, and then also have clamp, selfie stick, tripod, wrist strap. So there's a lot in it. Oh my god. There you go. Also have adhesive pads and many strap buckles. There's also a pouch. There are installation guide. My god, so complete. This is so perfect. So worth it. Yeah. That's all what we have now. I think this is head strap. This is the camera pouch, I think. Ito yung dami naman. Oh my gosh. So ito, it's really complete. This is the wrist or the what do you call this? The armband. And then this little beauty here. I think you can attach it on your camera. It's all worth it. May bag na siya. And then I'll just go ahead and get my camera. Action camera. Just real quick. Because right now, ito yung lagay ng ating camera. So bulky. Look at that. Dami ng laman. So right now, if i-fix ko siya, okay, ayun lang.